Hello everyone and welcome to DIY Sports. My name is Jack with your library and today we will be going through your own DIY foosball table. Now, has anyone played foosball before? If not, you're basically playing soccer or football, but a mini version. You have your little peg friends here as your players. You can use a ping pong ball as the ball. And you're basically controlling them, much like I am here, by twisting the sticks and making them kick. Let's have a look through what we'll need. As you can tell, sticks is the main one. You will need 4 for this particular shoebox variety. We are using Wooden Dowels, but really any straight stick, maybe a skewer might work, or even have a look through the garden and see what you can find. You will need, first of all, should have mentioned this one first, the shoebox, the actual playing field for your foosball table. Ping pong ball, or really any ball of your choosing, but this is light, easy to kick, and get through the goal. You'll need something to cut holes to make your goals. We have a box cutting knife that you'll definitely need to ask an adult for some help with, but you can use scissors, really whatever you want, or alternatively, if you just want to draw on some goals, that is equally as helpful. Lucky last, as we mentioned, our little players, some pegs. We have some nice clear ones here. You can use coloured ones. You can even colour your own ones in if you'd prefer. That's, again, you can be as creative as you want with this. So, I reckon, let's begin. First step is to make sure you've got all of your items here, which luckily I had prepared earlier. Beautiful stuff. This ball really wants to roll away. Make sure it doesn't by kind of creating a little jail of it. Anyway, your first step is to get your sticks and poke them through. So some of these shoe boxes, you'll be able to just push the stick all the way through, easy as. Others, you may have to create a little hole with either scissors, a knife. Again, make sure you're asking your parents beforehand. We are going to stick that through like that, if you can see there. And make sure it's come out the other side, like so. Try and make it as straight as possible. Mine's a little diagonal, which isn't a massive issue, but if you can be better than me, be better than me. Let's do the second one here. This is even difficult for myself, so do not feel embarrassed if you have to ask your adult for a bit of help. That's what they're there for. Lucky last. Push that through. Lovely. Now we have 8 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for your sticks to go through, and that will act as your little handles. I'm going to take these out now that we've got them there. 4. And we are going to cut through some little goals. Alright, let's have a look how this goes. Make sure the goal is big enough for your ball of choice to fit through. I'm going to make sure it's like that. Make sure not to cut your fingers either. Always cut away from you. You do not want chopped up fingers. 2. That, lovely. And down, you can't really see what I'm doing. Let's turn that around. This is where a box cutting knife is quite handy. Lovely. So, after you cut your hole, make sure that can fit through pretty easily. When you do the other side's going to be even easier. It's already got a hole formed. Yeah. So we can do a cut like that. And like that. And down. What you can do if you really want, so it doesn't want to come out, is you can cut your hole a bit smaller than your opponent's. That's cheating though, so don't do it. Let's get that down, just like that. Lovely. push it out. Make sure you've gone all the way through. Have I gone all the way through? Yes, I have. Lovely. Like that. Beautiful. You have your 2 goals that your ball goes through quite nicely. Let's get our sticks back. Place them through the holes we made earlier. Just like that. 2. This way. 3. And 4. And you choose your players. So this is up to you. What we've found works best is if the first player controls this one here, this end one, and the third one there, while the other player controls this second one and this fourth one. That way, if you're holding it like this, you've got these 2. Let's add our men with the closed peg here. Our sports players. So depending on the size of your box, you can have up to 3 players. 1, 2, 3. 2 players here. This is quite a skinny box, so we've decided that having 2 players in the middle here and 1 at the end there, that's probably works best. You can move them in and out, making sure you're defending, but make sure not to pull it out too much, or it's gone. Now you can't, now you've got no control. So if we put our ball in the middle, quickly, I can't even do that. Bang! Just won a goal. I beat no one. I'm a champion. I reckon, let's have a quick play, shall we? I had a lot of fun, mostly because I won. Winning doesn't matter, but it does help. I hope you guys have a lot of fun when you make yours. Don't forget, you can decorate yours however you like. We've got a nice little field on the bottom of ours. You can add some crowds on the side. You can make it in space. Really, you can do whatever you want. It's all about creativity, but make sure, take a picture, send a video, send it through to us. And yeah, we look forward to seeing what you guys made as well. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye.